To a jar, you just need to add your oats and then some instant espresso powder, a few cacao nibs, or you can use some chocolate chips, some chia seeds, some flax meal, and then the toasted black sesame seeds. They lend so much flavor to this. And then I'm using currants as my dried fruit, whatever you want, coconut milk or whatever milk you want, and then give it a stir. Let it sit overnight in the fridge.
There's my overnight oats. The chia seeds are all plump. I can smell those toasted sesame seeds in there. Yum. There's some crunch and a pop of sweetness from the dried fruit that I used. Use any dried fruit you want. This is really delicious. Man, love the toasted sesame seeds in here. Give it a try. The recipe's on taylorkitchen.net.